Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows installation error. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to make sure that your Windows is updated. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows, or in short, update your Windows. And once updated, you can now simply continue the installation process. For the next method is we can also uninstall or disable the third-party antivirus software because that might block or interrupt the installation process. So if you are using any of the Avast, Malwarebytes, or MarkAfe, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar and you'll find the third-party antivirus software from here. Just simply make a right click and then select the quit option, or you can completely delete that or uninstall. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on apps, installed apps. Wait for all the applications to load and simply search for your third-party antivirus software. Click on the three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Then still on the settings window, click on the apps, installed apps. So we are going to also delete the unnecessary programs which we have installed for the past days, past weeks, which we are not using as of the present. So what you can do is you just need to simply click on the three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary programs on your Windows. And then click on system. Click on the storage option. Now you'll find the storage management. Make sure to enable the storage management in case if there is no enough space for the installation of a program or an application. Now you have to click on this cleanup recommendations. But let's wait for this to load in a while. Click on this. And then you'll find here this items. You can just simply delete items from here. Click on see more files. You can also go back to this. Click on this. And you can also click on run storage sense now because you will have this run storage sense depending on what you choose. It could be every day, every week. And then once you have deleted everything from here in the cleanup recommendations, then simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.